No gimmicks, no hyperboles, no false assertions. In the words of Mark Twain, good friends, good books, and a sleepy conscience. This is the ideal life. It's true that books leave an everlasting impression on the mind of its readers. We take an opportunity to help you know out the book reviews, its review scores, for whom it is meant for, and of course for whom it is not meant for. We understand your appetite for worth reading books and for relishing your experiences in worth reading in this busy era. We are presenting this YouTube channel series, Literally the Book Therapy. So, before purchasing your likings, don't forget to check our unbiased reviews on the same. If you wish that particular book of your choice shall be reviewed, tweet us at our official Twitter account or you can also comment for the same. And do not forget to subscribe our channel in order to remain tuned with the recent updates. It would be a pleasure to see you soon.